You open the Unreal project you've been working on for days, and now when you select the lights, you can see their attenuation radius. You press G to turn the gaming view on and off. You change the attenuation radius of the light in the details panel, hoping something will happen. You can see its effect, but still, it's not showing. Has this ever happened to you? Well, the solution is really simple. You've probably pressed Alt-R on your keyboard while working on the project, so just press it once again and you're good to go. You can also check it from here. Click on Show on the top left of the viewport, go to Advanced, and you can see that light radius is turned off. So you can either turn it on from here or use its shortcut Alt-R. Also, you can see how I created this environment and rendered this Mercedes-Benz from the link in the description. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it's been helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new tutorials I'm planning to put here. Also, join our Unreal Engine Facebook community. The link is in the description. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Now, with all of that being said, I'll see you in the next one.